Installing the legs and crossbar will require everything from bag number 3. We are going to start off with our right leg. Remove the 5/16 nylock hex nut and then remove the 3 steel washers, only leaving the nylon washer in place. Position the leg into the frame and replace the 2 3/4 by 1 1/2 washer, then the 5/16 by 1 1/2 black washer, and finally tighten the nut with a 1/2 inch wrench. Once tightened, make sure the leg can still easily move up and down. And repeat these steps with the other leg on the opposite side of the cabinet. Now, to install the crossbar, use the 1/4 by 3/4 hex head machine screw and place the star washer onto the screw. Then apply some Loctite onto the threads of the screw. Now, make sure both legs are facing upwards and then position the crossbar between the 2 legs. And then take your screw with the star washer and Loctite and hand tighten it into the crossbar. Then, using a 10mm wrench, you will tighten the screw. Be careful not to over-tighten the screw, as this can cause the insert nut to strip. Repeat this procedure for the opposite leg. Next, we'll attach the protective flat bumper buttons to the surface of the panels where the legs will contact the bed panel when folded up. Check the location of where the leg makes contact with the panel and apply the bumper button. Lastly, we'll attach the attention sticker to the foot end rail.